Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials out of the way quickly. Update firmware and enable hand tracking in the headset settings so the system recognizes gestures. Next, clear a 2 by 2 play area and adjust room lighting to reduce glare. This improves tracking fidelity. Once enabled, launch Gym Class VR and accept the hand tracking prompt. Then perform the basic calibration sequence the app requests. This aligns the virtual hands to your actual reach and motion. Once calibration shows good tracking, refine sensitivity and gesture thresholds inside the Gym Class VR settings so your grabs and pinches feel natural. Tighter settings reduce false positives, looser settings ease motion. Practice the core moves the class will use: grab, throw, rotate, and the double tap menu, repeating each until responses are consistent. If you struggle standing, switch to seated mode and recalibrate reach. That preserves exercise flow while keeping accuracy high and preventing fatigue during longer sessions. Finish by running a short warm-up drill so everyone confirms hand tracking responds correctly. This catches issues before the real session. Collect baseline movement accuracy and latency if the app supports it, so you can track improvements. If tracking degrades, first restart the headset and rerun calibration. Next, remove reflective clothing or objects, increase diffuse lighting, and lower background motion. If problems persist, reset gesture sensitivity or temporarily switch to controller mode to avoid disrupting the class.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.